Let's review the order screen in Payflex Lite. First, I'm going to log in and then click on the 3 lines in the top left. From here, you can see the second option down is Orders. The order screen contains 2 options, paid orders and unpaid orders. Here, I can scroll up and down to review any open orders that I have or any closed orders that I have. You can also see that if I click on one of my closed orders, it'll give me the option to review what took place, as well as to refund the order. Alternatively, I can also retrieve one of these unpaid orders if I want to say pay it out. Here, when I click on this order, you can now see I'm at the pay screen. Otherwise, I can also start an order from here by clicking on the plus button. Lastly, if I'm having a hard time finding an order, I can use the magnifying glass in the top right to search in a name or number to find that order. And if the order is a little bit old, I can click on this toggle button to access orders from before today. And that is how to use the Orders section in Payflex Lite.